Good afternoon. How y'all doing? Hope all is well in your world. Today we're gonna cook. Woohoo! And we're gonna make twice baked potatoes. Yeah. You wash your potatoes and put a cup of water in your pressure cooker. And I put a rack in the bottom of mine. Then you put a few holes in here because this is a pressure cooker. And it doesn't matter if the potatoes are on top of each other. That's fine, just like that. There's a cup of water in there, so now we're going to put the lid on. Set your timer, and I'm going to use the chicken meat timer because it starts out at 10 minutes. Or 15 minutes, excuse me. Adjust it to 22 and let it go. And I'll see you when they're finished. Now, if you did not have a pressure cooker, you could put your potatoes in the oven and bake them for an hour. Yes, it takes an hour. Wrap them in tin foil, you know, just like you're doing baked potatoes. Or you could put them on the grill over the fire. No problem. Okay, since I do not have any milk, I am going to use canned milk. I always keep some in the refrigerator, in the cabinet. Check the expiration date. Yep, it smells pretty darn good. We're gonna use it straight. Right, so it's going to take about 1 cup. Here we go. Set that off to the side. Let's take a cup of milk and a cup of sour cream. About, for us, a packet of bacon. And I'm not going to pre-cook the bacon because you're going to put them right back in the oven for about 10 minutes. After we do everything. And my butter is softening up, so that is good. And you just use a dab of butter. I just put a dab of butter on each potato. And put some mild shredded cheddar on top of the potatoes with the bacon on top of that. I know, y'all think it's crazy that I use bacon like this. But, I tell you what, when you're boondocking and you don't have to refrigerate this, it's fantastic. Fantastic. Alright, let's go ahead and cut all this up. Okay. Keep you a towel to wipe your hands. Sharp knife. Now you could crisp this up in a frying pan if you don't have pre-cooked bacon. My grandbabies love bacon. Loves bacon. And you could crisp this up in a pan too if you wanted to. Make sure it's in little chunks. Okay, here we go. Alright, put that in a bowl. Of course, Lily likes bacon too. Who doesn't like bacon? And it's storming here again. Yes, it seems like we always have storms. Well, we're in southeast Georgia, but it's Florida. It's northeast Florida. Look what I did today. I made slip covers for my pillows. And see, I just left the end open. So it's just like making a pillowcase. Isn't that some cool fabric though? Oh my gosh, I just love this fabric. Got it at Joann's. Love it, love it. It only took, what? I had a little bit left over. I got 1.5 yards. Sweet. Potatoes are ready. Take them out. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Take them out. Let them cool down. And personally, I think 22 minutes in the pressure cooker is a little much. So the next time I do them, because they're soft. I mean, not too soft, but I could still use them. But I would cut the time down to about 18 minutes maybe. I cut the potatoes long ways so they cool off faster. So now we scoop out potatoes out of the skin. You don't have to get all of it, but most of it, okay? Gotta leave you a little base there. These kids over here, boy, they just love these potatoes. Okay, see? That one's perfect. Now that we've got the flesh out of the potatoes, we are going to add some sour cream and milk. So go ahead and put the milk in there. Okay, we want them nice and creamy. Got the sour cream in there. Gonna use the little mixer here and clean these potatoes. Now that they're all nice and creamy, take your spoon. Oh yeah, they got a little bit of lumps in them. That's just fine. Alright, bring the potatoes over here. It's back here so you can see. Okay, and you just fill all the potatoes up with the potato. We do have some left over, but that's okay. We will eat that too. Woohoo! Okay, now I'll put my little dab of butter on there. Do this one on a big potato. Let's put a little bit of salt and pepper on it. Oh, you like my old-fashioned salt and pepper shakers? I love these things. Dollar store. Dollar store. Okay. Let's put some bacon on each one of them. Alright, sprinkle cheese on top. And it doesn't matter if they all mush together. Being in an RV, you don't have big pans. So it's all good. It's all good. And that's why I do the tin foil on here. Because I don't like cleaning up a big mess like this. Now we stick them in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. And bam, they're done. Okay, we would have grilled the chicken, but it's nasty outside and there's no grilling taking place. Rain, rain, go away. We hate this weather. It's time to leave, ain't it, honey?
Yeah, I wish I could.
And there's the potatoes. Oh my gosh, doesn't that look good? Alright, we'll have Mr. Childers taste everything here in just a moment. Okay, Mr. Childers.
Howdy.
What we got going on? I want you to taste that potato first.
Potato first.
Yeah.
Put a little salt and pepper on it. I like my
Your
salt and
following wants to know.
pepper. My following.
Your following.
How y'all doing? Okay. Let me. And what's these potatoes called?
It's called twice baked.
Twice baked. That is good. Well, all my recommendation is try it. You might like it.
All right. Y'all have a, yeah.
All right.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm fixing those babies some strawberry shortcake for their dessert tonight. And this is just a little hack here. Ziploc bags. And you can't get it to stand up, you know. Just put it over a big cup. And then you just drop all your strawberries in there.